quick tips and trick cooking channel. So again तुमका you कर मुझे cooking channel and again I'm come up with a mango and that is mango lassi. So yes, so for that I have taken 3 mango pulp. Okay, so this is 3 Mankurad mango. So this is Mankurad mango lassi. So this is 3 mangoes. Then I'll be adding some ice cream, vanilla ice cream, a small half cup of milk, some ice and 1 cup of curd. So dahi. So let's add all this and some sugar also. If anybody wants to go sugarless, then yes, don't add sugar to this. Let the pulp go inside. Then we'll add milk in this only. Ice. So it be chill, nice. It is very hot still. Rain comes, rain goes, but it is hot. Some ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Few nuts, optional. Then we will add our curd, thick curd. So it's like 1 whole cup, big cup of curd. Because it is lassi. So at least 200 grams of curd we need for this recipe. Then we will add some sugar, that is around 3 teaspoons. Little bit of cardamom powder and all set to go. And here it is ready, a thick mango lassi, Goan Mankurad lassi. And we will serve it again, topping up with ice cream. And little bit of our curd while you are serving, and some cashew nuts. Enjoy.
And here it is ready, Goan Mankurad mango lassi with ice cream. Thank you.